Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Flutter must be installed and the Flutter plugin active in Android Studio. Open Android Studio now. On Windows/Linux, go to File, right arrow Settings. On Mac, choose Android Studio, right arrow Preferences. Once there, navigate to Plugins and ensure Flutter is enabled so the IDE exposes SDK settings. Make sure the Dart plugin is also enabled. After that, open the Flutter plugin settings or restart Android Studio. If you just enabled plugins to let the IDE with a Flutter project open, you proceed to the project level settings. Go to File, right arrow Settings or Preferences on Mac, then expand Languages and Frameworks and select Flutter. Here, Android Studio shows the Flutter SDK path that the project uses. This is the definitive value for builds and tooling. If it's empty or wrong, click the folder icon to browse and select the correct SDK directory. Once selected, click Apply and OK so the IDE caches the location, and the Flutter tools sync with that path. If the settings route didn't reveal the path, open a terminal and run Flutter Dr. V. The output lists the Flutter SDK location. Copy it. You can also set environment variables like Flutter Home or update path for command line tools and CI agents. Once you change environment values or point Android Studio to a new folder, restart the IDE so it picks up the change. If detection still fails, clear caches via File, right arrow, invalidate caches, and restart. That resolves stale configuration issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.